Oh hi, in this video we're going to look at SwiftUI's state properties. A common definition of state is the particular condition that something is in at a specific time. So for example, if we have an iPhone that is switched on, we could say its condition at that time, or one of its state values, is on. And if we have an iPhone that's switched off, we could say that its condition at that time, or one of its state values, is off. So how does that relate to state for SwiftUI? Well, if we created some variables, then changed the values, as in the first example, our screen will not update unless we rerun our code and then update the UI so the user can see those changes. But if you add at state in front of our variable, like the second example, when the values are changed, SwiftUI's management will recompute our program and automatically update the UI so the user can see those changes. So let's program a quick example which will show the difference between a variable and a state variable. So we started with a basic SwiftUI project, which we're going to use to create our short program. So I'll start by just creating a variable, and we'll call it my color equals color.blue, and we'll go for. Okay, and the next thing we're going to do is in the body, I'm going to create a circle, then close brackets. I'm going to fill it with a color, and the color we're going to fill it with is going to be the variable my color. I'm going to change that text there, so it's going to say press here, and we're going to kind of turn that into a button, that text, by adding an onTapGesture. So in the onTapGesture brackets, we're going to change our color when press here is pressed. So my color equals color.green. And I'm also going to just create a print value in there so that we can see in the debug area at the bottom that our variable is definitely changed. So let's just run that. Okay, so we've got our blue circle, and when we tap our button and press here, so you can see that the circle in the view has not changed colour, but as you can see in the debug area at the bottom of the screen, our variable has definitely changed to green. So what we need to do is add at state at the front of our variable. So type at state, and we should generate an error actually. Yep, property wrappers are not yet supported in the top level code. So we need to move this state to within our content view. So we can just copy and paste that. And we'll just delete that from that level. And let's just run that. Okay, and fingers crossed, if we tap our button, press here. So as you can see, that's worked great because SwiftUI's management has updated that colour for us as the value is changed. So I hope that's been helpful to you, and thanks for watching.